going to make Dollar Tree slime using only Dollar Tree items. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. The things you will need are measuring cups, things to mix with, beads and confetti, a container to store your slime, a bowl, shaving cream, Tide, and glue. So now we're going to open our glue and pour it. And I'm going to use 2 bottles of glue. So now we're going to try to get out all of the glue from each bottle. And now I'm going to open. And then now we're going to mix it in. And you can add as much shaving cream as you like, but the shaving cream will just make it fluffy. And if you put a lot of shaving cream, it'll make it super fluffy like this. So now we're gonna mix, and once it's all incorporated, we're gonna add our Tide. And we're only gonna add a teaspoon at a time. So, I'm gonna open my Tide and measure out a teaspoon. And now we're gonna add it to the bowl. And then now we're going to mix. And you're gonna see it start to clump up. And that's gonna be our slime. But you're gonna mix in your Tide. And after you add a couple teaspoons, you want to leave it a tad bit sticky so all your beads and stuff fit. So now I'm gonna add another teaspoon and I'm gonna mix it. So now I think I can use my hands. And slimy. And you just have to keep mixing it until all your ingredients are incorporated. And until your ingredients are incorporated, you can start adding your beads. So now once it's thicker but still a little sticky, you're gonna add your add-ins, which are beads if you're making crunchy slime like me. So now we're gonna open it to add our beads. So now I'm going to add these hearts and flowers and stars. So I'm going to add a little more. And you can add as much as you like. So now you're just going to mix them up. We'll mix it until it's incorporated in the slime. So I think I'm going to add a little more. So now I'm going to add some confetti. These are gold stars. So I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to add just a little bit at a time. And it's getting really crunchy, if you can hear. Add more confetti. So I couldn't find any clear glue, even though it would look so cool, because apparently the only thing that's closest to clear glue is glitter glue, and it doesn't work. So I watched Karina Garcia's video, and she attempted to do it with the glitter glue sticks, and it didn't work. It just clumped up. So now I'm going to try to make a poop swirl. So now let's stretch it and swirl it. Now I'm going to cook it. Whoa. I wonder if We can make a bubble. Oh, let's try it again. Ready? We made a bubble. So it's getting crunchier. I'm gonna add some more beads and some more confetti. Oops. So now I'm gonna mix it all up. And you can add as much beads and confetti or whatever you're adding to your slime. You can add as much as you like. And I think this is pretty good. So let's hear it crunch.